Hi there, I'm Bobby ELD from ELD Devices. If you're looking for a solution to manage your fleet and optimize operations, you've come to the right place. Ezlogz provides cutting-edge fleet management solutions with a vision of transforming how fleet operators manage their operations. With an AI-powered predictive maintenance system, they can anticipate potential maintenance issues before they occur. This allows fleet managers to proactively schedule maintenance and avoid costly breakdowns, ensuring the smooth operation of their vehicles. Ezlogz offers fleet management software that allows real-time vehicle tracking, driver behavior monitoring, route optimization, and fuel consumption management. Their software also generates detailed reports and analytics, empowering businesses to make data-driven decisions and enhance efficiency. Another standout feature is Ezlogz has geofencing capability where businesses can set virtual boundaries around specific areas or locations. When a vehicle enters or exits these predefined zones, Ezlogz triggers automated actions or alerts. This feature monitors entry and exit points, tracks vehicle movement in restricted areas, and enhances security measures. Initially, Ezlogz introduced its electronic logging device ELD solution, which gained rapid popularity for its advanced algorithms and data analysis. The device connects to the vehicle's engine control module, ECM, and records vital data such as engine hours, miles driven, and vehicle speed. It offers a range of products designed to improve the safety and efficiency of commercial transportation, including dashcams, GPS tracking, ADAS or advanced driver assistance systems, and reporting functionalities. These tools can help drivers and fleet managers to monitor vehicle performance, track location, and improve overall safety on the road. In short, Ezlogz provides valuable tools for commercial drivers and fleet operators looking to optimize their operations and ensure regulatory compliance.